Good afternoon, everyone. I hope that you're all having a wonderful day. Today, I want to talk about the importance of just a few words when it comes to drafting contracts or negotiating contracts, and why in real estate it is so important, and any contract that you're going to sign, why each and every word is so important. Now, I've heard that due to the volatility and the excitement in the real estate market and the difficulty people are having getting homes and getting their offers accepted, that there are some attorneys that are foregoing their attorney review letters or not submitting lengthy attorney review letters like they ordinarily would. And our office has not taken that approach. And a reason why we have not taken that approach is because literally the words we have in our attorney review letters, if they are agreed upon, can help a client if they need to exit the contract for any particular reason. Just because in the beginning you really want to get your offer accepted and you want to move forward, there still might be something that comes up in the middle of the transaction that you would want the right as a buyer or the seller to negotiate or cancel the contract for any particular reason. Now, specifically, we have a clause that pertains to our clients who are buying condos, and there's certain specific situations that come up when purchasing a condo, and condo owners know this, that there's often special assessments that are being paid by each of the unit owners. But beyond that, what about pending special assessments? Assessments that are contemplated, that are on the table but haven't been decided upon yet, for example. I just had a client who didn't find out until after maybe a month and a half after going into attorney review, once we received HOA information, which we were asking for weeks, she just found out that there is a pending assessment for a brand new elevator, which costs about $25,000. And that assessment is going to be about $4,000 each unit owner, because it's a small condominium. And my client didn't want to purchase the property with this assessment, and the unit owner was like, well, it's a pending assessment, it's not an assessment that's going to be attributed now. But the funny thing is that the seller is a board member of the HOA, and the board members know about pending assessments. In our attorney review letter, it's not in the New Jersey Realtor contract, okay? It is in our attorney review letter. It states that the seller must notify the buyer of any known, contemplated, pending, discussed assessments that could be applied in the future. And the seller did not give us this information, but the seller knew about it, and the seller actually admitted to knowing about it. And if we didn't have this language, my client would not have had a very clear out of the contract. And due to the fact that we had a clear out, my client was able to cancel. Again, if we didn't have it, it could have been a very difficult situation to get her deposit released. So if you have attorneys that are all about speed, or if you're an agent and you're trying to encourage your attorneys to move fast and just get through attorney review already, just know that there's a reason why sometimes we are taking our time going through, adding provisions, discussing with the client how to protect them. And at least at our office, but I can speak for our office, is that we are fast, right? We want to go fast, but we also want to make sure we're moving fast with quality and with speaking to our clients about what's important to them, how to protect them, and we let them guide us. So if we want to go fast, and the lender wants to go fast, and the realtor wants to go fast, but the client wants to go slow, then we have to go slow, right? If everybody wants to go fast, then we'll do it, but we also have to protect the client. So we'll do that as fast as we can, and just know that there's a reason, right? It's very important. We utilize our attorney review letters. We literally rely on them. It's so important. So I just wanted to post this video about that, give you a little bit of perspective from the attorney about attorney review, why it is the way it is, especially when you work with our office, and what our purpose is. So I hope this is helpful. Please feel free to reach out with any of your own stories or make any comments or ask any questions. Love to hear from you, and I'm happy to be back with another video, and I'll be posting another one soon.